Man, this is a great machine. So here we are, finished windshield on a machine. Fit and finish looks great. Can you tell us a little bit about this windshield?
Absolutely. So I want to start off with saying we have two different options. You know, we're going to have the non-scratch resistant, and then we're also going to have the scratch resistant. We have a light tint and a dark tint as well. The non-scratch resistant option, very affordable. It's a very great option for somebody who's going to take the windshield on and off a lot. You know, it's perfect. You know,
So that's our entry-level price
Exactly.
point, getting into a windshield.
Absolutely. Entry level. We don't offer the non-scratch resistant for every option of windshield that we offer, which, by the way, we have a plethora of options. We've got half windshield, full vented, 3-in-1, flip, power flip, list goes on and on, rear windshields. And also we offer a wide selection and variety of polycarbonate products that are XR optic hard coating, which is our proprietary coating. Not as many options for the non-hard coated, tons of options for the XR optic hard coated.
So what we're looking at here is an XR optic hard coated windshield on this Defender.
It's our XR optic hard coated vented windshield. So it has the nice vents on it, very easy to operate from inside the cab. So if you're driving on a hot day like today, you're gonna get some airflow through the cab, pop it open, you're good to go.
Just looking at these and obviously driving the car, this makes a huge difference. Even at moderate speeds, it's bringing in air to the cab, but I'm just impressed with the fit and finish.
When we go to design a windshield, we're gonna scan the profile of the cage and we're gonna design the windshield off of that. So it's very exact. Very rarely is there any variation. Sometimes there's variation from machine to machine, but we accommodate for that. We've learned over the years that, hey, we need to make it within this spec and it's gonna fit the highest tolerance cage to the lowest tolerance, tightest, perfect, the best thing you can. One thing that we realized over the years that makes a huge difference is the seal. We've tried many different types of seal. This is our bulb seal. This is what you're gonna see most commonly used on the majority of our windshields. When you tighten this windshield down, in this instance with the clamp, it really sucks that seal into the cage. That way you're gonna have a nice, tight, OEM, rattle-free fit. Definitely recommend the scratch resistant for somebody who's gonna be riding in the woods a lot. Any situation where you're gonna have branches hitting it, or you know, if you're riding in a muddy condition, something where there's gonna be a lot of debris on the windshield, scratch resistance the way to go. For somebody who's, like I said, just kind of maybe somebody on a farm, maybe somebody who likes to road ride a little bit here and there, county back roads, the non-scratch resistant, a great affordable option for them. This is gonna be a flip windshield. So you can have it in the fully closed position. You can also have it in the partially open position. So there's two different positions there. You can latch it down. So you're riding down a trail, you're wanting to get some airflow through the cab, partially open, and then the fully open. It's gonna come with all the bracketry needed to install it, all the clamps, as well as the gas struts. So you're not gonna have to manually open it and put some sort of a bracket in like we've seen, you know, previously with some of the other older style windshields. Also, you see the bulb seal for a nice, tight, secure fit to the dash of the machine, and anywhere that it would make contact, we have some sort of a gasket or a seal.
So you didn't cheap out on these struts, because like this thing's pretty solid and stable when it's open.
Over the years, we've tried many different struts. We really pride ourselves on our testing. You guys got to see our testing facility here. We've tested strut after strut after strut until we found a strut that works, that doesn't rattle, that doesn't allow the windshield to bounce, that just when it's closed or it's open, the windshield's gonna be exactly what the customer's asking for. This is our power flip glass windshield. This is a new line of premium windshields that we're starting to come out with for many makes and models. This is DOT safety laminated glass.
So automotive grade.
Automotive grade. Anybody who's trying to have a DOT approved machine, you know, you're putting a plate on it, road legal, this windshield right here is an option for them. It's a great option. And also, we have rear glass windshields. So this one, we have a couple different options, the way that you can purchase it. This is in its most cost-effective form. And then also you can purchase it with a sprayer and a wiper option. So it's gonna have a power sprayer, power wiper, just like a truck.
Really? And that's what these pre-drilled holes are for up here.
Right. And it comes with a block-off plug if you purchase it without the sprayer and the wiper. If you do purchase the premium kit with the sprayer and the wiper, it comes with all the wiring harness. It's plug and play. Very simple, easy installation.
Well, can you show us how this thing flips up?
Absolutely. So it is rocker switch controlled.
Okay. That is cool.
So something that we take into consideration anytime that we manufacture a flip windshield, a power flip windshield, is line of sight. Obviously, you have to make sure that the angle on the strut and where the brackets are located on the cage, if you don't get them just perfect, a guy like myself, who's, you know, a little bit taller, it's right in your line of sight. We make sure that whenever we have these windshields fully open, they're not gonna obstruct any vision, they're not gonna cause any issues as far as that goes, and this thing's secure. It's not going anywhere when it's all the way up. These struts are power actuated struts, very strong, and the options are limitless on the position that you put this windshield in.
Yeah, and just looking at the quality of the frame, obviously you guys have some amazing equipment in there, but this thing it's really well put together.